Hello everyone, this is Derek from Sunglory. Nowadays, domestic manufacture is blooming all over the world. If you want to become more automatic production or you want to start new business to setting steel bottle flask production line, Sunglory is your best project partner. Up to 2024, we have set up more than 65 production lines all over the world. Most of our customers can cover their investment within 6 to 12 months or 18 to 24 months. And we cooperate with top vacuum bottle factories, including Milton, Survey, JP Plus, Atlas. We have our global service center. Once the machine arrives at your factory, our experienced team will come to your factory and help you to installation and debugging. Make sure everything is set up and training your workers how to operate the machine. We are professional A to Z solution provider of thermal flask projects. We can help you set up your own production line in your country. Our machine can make different products like tumbler, thermal flask, vacuum flask, single wall bottom, and double wall bottom. We were taking trial before shipment after our customer confirmed because we respond for the final result for our customer. This is our factory director, Engineer Wang.
大家好，我是王小明，是上官集团保温杯生产设备厂的厂长。
He has 20 years of experience in steel bottle flask machinery design and production. Our factory total area about 4,500 square meters and have our own service training center dedicated to providing customer taking trial before shipment and training customers' workers.
我是陈信怀，我是上冠的工程师，我负责杯壶线的安装、调试以及员工培训、工艺培训。
Call us, set up your own factory, win more market.